Come forward, Oak Street advises that the following video has been classified PG, parental guidance is recommended for young viewers.
Hello everybody, you're probably thinking, why is my partly dismantled TV remote control doing nothing? Well, one day when I was watching an episode of Lab Rats, I threw it on the ground and it wasn't working anymore. I just threw it on the ground because I was pissed off at what happened in Lab Rats. And now see, let's have a good closer look. See, look at it. Oh, fuck now. I've taken a few of the buttons here, as you can see, and I'm going to be smashing it with my axe. And, yeah. And I'm going to be putting a song in this video too, called What Have I Done to Deserve This, by the Pet Shop Boys, featuring Dusty Springfield. We're going to put this up close too. I want this. So. Yeah, we... Oh, I'll come on in now. Yeah, that piece that I like that.
I brought you drinks, I brought you flowers, I read you books and talk for hours. Every day so many drinks, such pretty flowers. So tell me, what have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? What have I? Since you went away, I've been hanging around. I've been wondering why. I've been down with a way. It should make me feel better, but I don't know how I'm gonna get through this. How I'm gonna get through this. You always wanted me to be something I wasn't. You always wanted too much. Oh, now I can do what I want to forever. How am I gonna get through? How am I gonna get through? At night the people come and go. They talk too fast and walk too slow. Chasing time from hour to hour. I pour the drinks and crush the flowers. What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? What have I? Since you went away, I've been hanging around. I've been wondering why. I've been down, you went away. Did you make me feel better? I don't know how I'm gonna get through. How I'm gonna get through.
Come on, break. And one more to do it. We'll pick out the break too. Bloody hell. That didn't take long at all. Didn't take as long as I thought it would. Can I smash this or what? There. My TV remote control is no more. Yeah. Good song to put in the video. Or if my partly dismantled TV remote control done this, I just frickin' destroyed it. I'm Tom 40 Dog Stream, you just let me destroy my TV remote control.